guys, my pineapple smoothie. Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today I will be doing for you a pineapple smoothie. So I have here some slices of pineapple cut up with some ripe bananas, and I'm going to add some Ensure for protein. Yes, and I have some crushed ice, and I have some vanilla extract. Yes, and I have some water and my Boothe ready. So I'm gonna get started. So guys, pineapple is not something that I love to peel, but I love having pineapple in almost everything. It's so nice and tasty. So I'm gonna get started by adding my fruits to the Boothe. Then I'm gonna add my Ensure. I'm gonna be using roughly 3 tablespoons of Ensure, and that will be my protein. Then I will be adding my ice, my vanilla extract, and then I'll add some water, roughly half glass of water, and then I'm gonna start blending. And there you have it guys, my pineapple smoothie. I'm gonna glass this now. Look at that guys, oh so rich in flavor. Yummy. Wow. Look at it guys, I'm just about to taste it for you. Look at it, oh so yummy. Tasting real delicious. Yes guys, go ahead and try it. Yes guys. So guys, the pineapple mixed with the banana and the Ensure give it a lovely taste. So go ahead and try it. So guys, I'm addicted. I can't stop tasting. So good. Try it guys, go ahead and try it. And it's easy. Alright guys, go ahead and make this smoothie, my pineapple smoothie. Refreshing, tasting, loving. If you are a lover of pineapple, you will love this smoothie. Okay guys, look at the color, it's so peaceful. Look at it. Remember to like this video, share it with your friends and family. Don't forget to subscribe. Tell me what you think about this smoothie. Tell me if you're a lover of pineapple. Remember to share with your family and subscribe to my channel guys. Remember to watch all my other videos and send up this love, send the support, send the views up. Go right ahead guys. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. my pineapple smoothie.